How to log into your Alipay account. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to log into your Alipay account. First thing you have to do is download the application on your phone. Once you've downloaded it, just tap on open and you'll get to the login page. If you've previously logged in using the app, it will show you your previous logged in account. But if you want to continue with this, you can just do it. But if you want to continue on with a new account, you can just go ahead and click on next. Click on agree, and then from here just enter your password. If you want to see more options, you can do this as well. But what you can basically do is, if you don't want to continue with this, you can delete this account and continue on. I'll just log into my account right here, enter the password. If you've forgotten it, you can just tap on forgot password. They'll send you a verification on your email, or if you've used your phone number to sign up, they'll send an OTP code on your phone. Just enter the OTP and then you should be able to log in. So let me just quickly enter my password here. And after entering, you can just tap on the login button and you should be able to get into your account without any problem. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.